Hi, in this session I'm going to be covering the promotions item type. This allows you to add discounts to your products on your e-commerce website in varying configurations. To find this, we want to go to Content, scroll through the list and find the promotion item type. And then we can press Add New. As you can see, there's a lot of notes against the attributes in here to help you remember what each one does. However, I'm still going to go through and explain these a little more clearly, as it does get quite complicated. First off, we have an offer ID. This is just a unique numerical ID for this offer. Offer name. This is an internal field for what you want to call the offer in the web wizard. Offer start date and offer end date allow you to make time limited offers. Simply choose a date and time from the calendar and proceed. Purchase group code. This allows you to limit your offers to either individual products or individual product groups. These relate directly to the product code and product group attributes on products. Next up, we have purchase quantity. This is how many of the items listed under purchase group code you have to purchase in order for the offer to take effect. Next up, we have discount code. This allows you to lock an offer behind a discount code at the basket if you wish. If you want it to be a global offer, leave this field blank. Discount code spend minimum. This is the overall basket value. For instance, if you wanted to make an offer that was 5% off if you spend over £100, we would have put 100 in this field, and the offer would only take effect once that total was reached. Discount code effect. This is what the offer actually does. This can either be a percentage value or a numerical value. Discount uses per basket. If, for instance, you have a purchase quantity of 1 and a 5% discount, you might only want that 5% to take effect on the first item ordered. If you want it to apply to every single item, set it to -1, or you can set a figure for number of activations. Discount uses per member. This allows you to make it so an offer can only be redeemed a set number of times per login on the website. Discount users total. This allows you to set a global limit for how many times this offer can be redeemed. For instance, if you're doing an offer for your first 100 customers, get 5% off, you can set this figure to 100, and each time the offer is redeemed, it will tick down until it hits 0, where it will deactivate. Offer text and offer image. This is how the offer will actually display to the customer. The text will display on the product page, and the offer image will display a badge on that product describing the offer if applicable. Once you've filled all your fields in, just hit save, and your offer is active.